we fundamentally believe that there is a problem with the electoral machinery in India.
Leader of opposition is once again in the eye of a storm. Rahul Gandhi repeated his vote theft charge, but this time on foreign soil. Speaking in Berlin, Rahul Gandhi questioned India's polls and alleged that central agencies are being weaponized.
We've won election in Telangana, we've won election in Himachal Pradesh. We've been raising issues as far as the fairness of elections in India is concerned. I've done press conferences where we have clearly shown, without shadow of a doubt, that we won the Haryana election. That we actually don't feel that the Maharashtra election was fair. There is a full-scale assault taking place on the institutional framework of our country.
Within India, what do you plan to do right now?
Speaking at the Hertie School in Berlin, Rahul Gandhi accused the BJP of attempting to dismantle the constitution.
This is what the BJP is proposing, is essentially the elimination of the constitution, elimination of the idea of equality between states, elimination of the idea of equality between languages and religions, elimination of the idea of the central core of the constitution, which is that every individual should have the same value.
BJP launched a multi-pronged counter-attack. Union Minister JP Nadda accused Rahul of insulting India abroad.
जब पार्लियामेंट चलता है तो राहुल गांधी जर्मनी में होते हैं और भारत के खिलाफ वहां वक्तव्य दे रहे होते हैं.
Calling it Bharat Badnaam Yatra, the Saffron Party called the remarks immature and anti-national.
Whenever Rahul Gandhi goes abroad, he indulges in Bharat Badnaam Yatra. Every time he tries to undermine our cherished democracy, he maligns Baba Saheb Ambedkarji's constitution, and Rahul Gandhi tries to tarnish the image of India abroad.
राहुल गांधी ने भारत का पार्लियामेंट में विपक्ष का नेता होना था. भारत का पार्लियामेंट का अंदर उसका कोई परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है. हर बार पार्लियामेंट के संदर्भ में विदेश जाता है, भारत का विरोध बात विदेश में करता है. छोटा बच्चे जैसे अभी भी बिहेव कर रहे हैं.
We benefited greatly.
Amid the slugfest, even Alai Samajwadi Party MP Rajiv Rai struck a note of caution.
व्यक्तिगत रूप से मेरा मानना है कि सत्ता पक्ष हो या विपक्ष, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि की भावना से जब भी बाहर जाएं संयमित रहें. देश सबसे बड़ा है. देश के बारे में सकारात्मक नहीं बोल सकते तो नकारात्मक नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Meanwhile, within the Congress, a new leadership debate has surfaced. Congress MP Imran Masood publicly backed Priyanka Gandhi for a bigger leadership role.
प्रियंका जी प्रधानमंत्री होती तो प्रियंका जी इंदिरा गांधी की पोती हैं. वो जवाब देती इंदिरा जी की शैली के अंदर. प्रियंका गांधी हमारा चेहरा हैं. प्रियंका गांधी हमारी नेता हैं. प्रियंका गांधी को देश सुनता है, दुनिया देखती है.
The remark has given the BJP fresh ammunition, mocking Rahul Gandhi's standing within his own party.
इमरान मसूद ने तो साफ साफ कह दिया कि अब उनको राहुल गांधी पर कोई भरोसा नहीं बचा है. अब राहुल हटाओ, प्रियंका जी को लाओ.
Rahul Gandhi's Berlin remarks have sparked fierce backlash from the BJP and caution from an ally. Will his comments on Indian elections made on foreign soil help or hurt the Congress?